Teletubbies, the Snow Tubby. One day in Teletubby Land, all the Teletubbies were making snowballs.
Oh, snowballs!
Making snowballs! Tinky Winky made a snowball.
Tinky Winky snowball!
Dipsy made a snowball.
Dipsy snowball!
Lala made a snowball. Lala snowball! Po made a snowball. Po snowball! Dipsy's snowball was bigger than Tinky Winky's snowball.
Dipsy snowball bigger!
Lala's snowball was bigger than Tinky Winky's snowball, but smaller than Dipsy's snowball.
Lala snowball bigger! Tinky Winky's smaller Dipsy's. Ew!
And Po's snowball was the biggest snowball of all. Biggest! The Teletubbies decided to use their snowballs to build a snow tubby.
Snow Tubby! Yeah, Snow Tubby!
Po's snowball was just the right size for a snow tubby body. Snow tubby! And Dipsy's snowball was just the right size for a snow tubby head.
Snow Tubby!
So the Teletubbies put Dipsy's snowball on top of Po's snowball. Oh, look! Tinky Winky's and Lala's snowballs were just the right size for Snow Tubby arms.
Snow Tubby!
The Snow Tubby was finished. Finished! Tinky Winky loved the Snow Tubby so much that he gave the Snow Tubby his bag to hold.
Tinky Winky bag!
Dipsy loved the Snow Tubby so much that he gave the Snow Tubby his hat to wear.
Dipsy hat!
Lala loved the Snow Tubby so much that she gave the Snow Tubby her ball to play with. Lala ball! Po loved the Snow Tubby so much that she gave the Snow Tubby her scooter to ride. Po, scooter! Then something magical happened. Ping! What a happy Snow Tubby! The Teletubbies danced a happy dance around the Snow Tubby.
Happy Snow Tubby!
The Teletubbies love the Snow Tubby, and the Teletubbies love each other very much.
Big hug!
Big hug! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Teletubby stories, don't forget to check out my Teletubbies playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.